Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Carol. How are you today? Okay, I'm good. Please get a piece of paper or get your notebook, science notebook. And today we have a review. Okay, so today we have a review. Uh, okay, are you ready? Okay, so today we have to review science. Okay? Okay, let's begin. Okay, so first, you have to unscramble the words. Okay, you have to unscramble the words. Okay, here. Okay, so this is your choices, okay? This is your choices: clay, soil, loam, sunlight, water, air, stomata, stimulus, sandy, and heat. Okay, so these are your choices, okay? Okay, and here you have to unscramble it. Okay, so you have to unscramble these words. Okay, for example, number one, RIA. So what is it? It's, okay, so you have to find it here. Okay, it's air. What color is air? Okay, can you tell me what color is air? It's red, right? Okay, so you have to unscramble it. Okay, so you have to unscramble the words to correct it. Okay, so it should be AIR, air. Okay, understand? Okay, and number two, okay, so you have to unscramble it, okay? It's 1 to 10. Write it in a piece of paper or in your notebook, okay? Okay, and when you finish, okay, so you next is you have to choose the correct answer. Okay, so you have to choose the correct answer here. You have to choose A, B, or C, okay? Write it down in your notebook or in a piece of paper. Okay, so you have to write the letter in the answer, okay? Okay, for example, number one. Okay, so which of the following is not a function of the stem? Okay, so which of the following is not a function of the stem? A, take in carbon dioxide. B, transport water. C, transport food. Or D, hold the branches and leaves. Okay, so which of the following is not a function of the stem? Okay, so write the correct letter. Sorry. Okay, and number two, which of the following allows water out of the leaves? Which of the following allows water out of the leaves? A, stems. B, stomata. C, roots. D, flowers. Okay, and number three, why do leaves get dry during the daytime? Again, why do leaves get dry during the daytime? A, there is less water in the soil. B, the plant gains water. C, the plant absorbs less water. D, the plant loses water after lo- sorry, letter D, the plant loses water faster than absorbs it. Okay. Okay, number four. Okay, so this is number four, five, and six. Okay, I just changed the number. Okay, so number four, which is not needed for the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so which is not needed for the process of photosynthesis? A, water. B, sunlight. C, oxygen. D, carbon dioxide. Okay, so you have to choose the correct answer, okay? And write it down. Okay, correct letter and write the answer. Okay, number five, which of the following gases do plants need for respiration? Okay, which of the following gases do plants need for respiration? A, carbon dioxide. B, hydrogen. C, nitrogen. D, oxygen. Okay, so you have to choose the correct letter again. And the answer. Number six, what do you call the green substance in leaves? What do you call the green substance in leaves? A, chlorophyll. B, vascular bundles. C, phloem. D, xylem. Okay. Number seven. which is not a factor that affects plant growth, which is not a factor that affects plant growth. A. Soil. B. Cotton. C. Water. D. Air. And number 8, what is the stimulus that makes a lotus flower open up in the morning and close in the evening? Okay, again, what is the stimulus that makes a lotus flower open up in the morning and close in the evening? Is it A, heat, B, temperature, C, sound, D, touch? Okay, finish. Okay, so now again, okay, so we have to go back to number 1 again. Okay, so you have to choose the correct letter, okay? You have to write the correct letter and the correct answer, okay, together. Okay, so here, number 1, which of the following is a stimulus? Okay, so which of the following is a stimulus? A, curling up. B, running away. C, high temperature. D, expanding body. Okay, again, which of the following is a stimulus? A, curling up. B, running away. C, high temperature. D, expanding body. Okay, so you have to choose the correct letters again here, okay? Number 2, which animal moves away from light as a response? Again, which animal moves away from light as a response? A, is a termite. B, earthworm. C, cat. D, frog. Okay, so you have to choose which animal moves away from light as a response. Okay, again, A, is a termite. B, earthworm. C, cat. D, frog. Okay, number 3, how does a chicken respond to light? A, lays eggs. B, crows. C, eats. D, sleeps. Again, how does a chicken respond to light? A, lays egg. B, crows. C, eats. D, sleeps. Okay, number 4, what is the stimulus for the statement wild ducks migrate from Siberia to Thailand? Okay, again, what is the stimulus for the statement wild ducks migrate from Siberia to Thailand? A, light. B, sound. C, temperature. D, touch. Okay. Number 5. Okay, so here, what is the stimulus for the statement wild ducks migrate from Siberia to Thailand? Why does wild ducks come from Siberia and go to Thailand? Okay, why? Is it because of the light? Is it because of the sound? Is it because of the temperature? Is it because of the touch? Okay, and number 5, how does an earthworm respond to a wet area? Again, how does an earthworm respond to a wet area? A, expands its body. B, curls its body up. C, moves to the wet area. Moves away from the wet area. Okay, so how does an earthworm respond to a wet area? Okay, A, expands its body. B, curls its body up. C, moves to the wet area. Or D, moves away from the wet area. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so this second part is 1 to 5, okay? Okay, there you go. So you have to choose the correct answer, okay? Write it in your notebook or in a piece of paper, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. Or you can also ask Teacher May. Okay, so you can also ask Teacher May. Okay, understand? Okay, so this is a review, okay? This is a review. Okay, so that's it for today. Goodbye, everyone.